Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I start my speech with the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. May Allah give my words the power of influence. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to speak about an important topic of our life, especially students' life. Discipline. As a popular proverb says, discipline is bridge between goals and accomplishment. It is as important as dreams. As dream determines your goal, discipline is the way to achieve it. In religion, we follow also focuses on discipline. In fact, it is discipline which turned the ferocious people of Arab to Sahaba radiallahu anhum. Discipline is a key point for prosperity of a nation because it makes a society in which every person knows its responsibilities and limitations. Every work of our life is done with accordance to time and importance. A disciplined man will always be resourceful. He will never face shortage of time and wealth. A disciplined life is controlled by a person himself, while undisciplined life is controlled by others. The main difference between humans and animals is discipline. For students, discipline can give more importance, more time, more opportunity and success, and more dignity in life.